In this masterclass, we will take an extensive look at virtual end-of-life work for each of the roles in the end-of-life work spectrum. What does virtual mean to you? What does distant mean to you? Take a moment and just think about each of those terms when it comes to your end-of-life work. Are you more comfortable with virtual? Are you more comfortable with distant? Are both these terms fine? Neither term? Working online is different. It's not for everyone. Many of you who have attended a Q&A session with me will understand the difference between watching something that's pre-recorded and getting the chance to speak to me live but at a distance. If you've had the chance to come to one of my information events or to take face-to-face training with me, you'll also know that there's a distinct difference to the way that we interact when we're in the room with someone compared to when we are on the phone or on a video call and we're in the virtual world. The words virtual and distant are both included here in this masterclass because even when we are geographically close to someone, we may not be able to see them in person. You may decide at the end of this masterclass that virtual work, distant work, in terms of end of life and the services you offer, is not going to work out well for you because you prefer to be face-to-face. Not all clients will want virtual or distant services either. It's a matter of personal preference. However, the beauty of this masterclass is even if you choose not to undertake virtual or distant work as part of your service set, the content of this masterclass will, I think, help you think laterally and in new ways about how you approach a variety of aspects of your work and your service set, enhance the way that you communicate with clients, and perhaps give you new insights into your service set overall. And that's a good thing. Pro tip, you can offer a blend of face-to-face and virtual or online services to clients as a standard part of your work. Have the best of both worlds. Clients may pick up on some of the advantages of online communication and use it in new ways for end-of-life connection. This masterclass may surprise you, not only for the content, but what you can also unlock and discover about yourself and the way you think about work, the way you think about priorities and essentials at end of life, and the way you think about service. And in the end, too, you never know when your clients may benefit from understanding that they too can still have connection and meaningful presence and companionship when someone's at end of life and they're not able to be in the room with them. Win-win.